So this is a quick video to introduce you to our GeoGebra apps. They're going to be taking the place of a calculator in this course, and you can see them right here. Here are our GeoGebra apps. Let's take a look at the last one of the semester, and I'll show you how this works. So notice that for each chapter there's several of these, and let's take a look at this last one. There's a video at the top of each of these, so if we clicked on this we can watch the video. Okay, let's take a look at our last application of the semester for ANOVA tests. Let's select the data for the sodium levels, open a GeoGebra spreadsheet, so go into View and turn on Spreadsheet and turn off the other two, and then paste that data in. Let's now select that data and do a multiple variable analysis. So it looks like we've got a stacked box plot for all of these. We want our statistics, and we want an ANOVA test. So we have our p-value as well as some other information. That's our last application for the semester. Okay, so that gives you an idea of what the video is. There's also an embedded application, and you can download that GeoGebra file. So here it is downloaded. If I were to do that, I could launch it inside of a resident version of GeoGebra. Notice that you also have links to the GeoGebra Classic website, and when you're there you can see where we're able to get all of these applications, and that gives you the power to continue using this after the end of the semester. So here we are back inside of the applications for Chapter 11. Let's look at all of them. So beginning with Chapter 2, we've got frequency tables, and these we can edit. If we wanted to change that maybe to something else, we can see that it is updated here as well. And an ogive, and of course the links to the video at the top of each application, the application itself. That can be useful simply for copying data. Now, one of the things that I want to point out is if you click on a column, you're going to select all the empty rows below, which is fine if you paste it in. But look at what happens if I copy just these 24 data points. So I've just copied that. And then I click on the column heading and paste in. Notice how it tiles that data so it restarts over and over again. So if that's not what I wanted, then I probably should have simply clicked on the first cell and pasted in that data. So one of the things you'll see me doing in the videos is scrolling down to make sure that the data ends and isn't tiled, in other words, repeated over and over again. I want to show you one other thing, so I'm going to go back to the course web page. Remember, we were inside this GeoGebra Apps tab. But if we scroll down, I want to point out that I have a link to the GeoGebra apps, which may seem kind of strange, but until you've logged in directly, you may find this useful. If you click on the link, it'll actually take you to that same page within MyOpenMath. So once you're logged in directly to MyOpenMath, you won't have to do this, but I did want to point out that I added that link just so that you could get in more directly. So no calculator this semester. We're using GeoGebra all semester. You can certainly use a calculator if you want to, but everything that we need to be able to compute and calculate is going to be available inside of our GeoGebra apps.